I teach small business owners how to organize their finances without stress. So when it comes to these Zelle payments, we want to be very careful about a couple of things. We typically don't like to see Zelle payments to vendors, to people that you're paying, to contractors, unless it's attached to a business checking account. If it's attached to a business checking account, that's fine. If you're paying people from your personal checking account, that's a no-no, okay? That's what we call commingling. And the reason why we recommend that you try as best as you can not to commingle, because what you're doing is you're telling whomever needs to look at your bank statements, whomever needs to qualify you for funding, whoever needs to give you money so that you can leverage their money to grow your business, I don't take this business seriously. That's what you're telling them. When you choose to not separate and commingle your personal finances with your business, you're telling them you're not taking it seriously. And the ultimate agency who's going to look at that, just in case, it could be random, is the IRS. Okay? So you want to be careful about getting into the habit and knowing why this is important. It's not about right now. It's not about steps you're taking right now. It's about future planning. Okay? So let's say in a very perfect scenario, you have all of your cash payments coming into your business checking account. Everybody's paying your invoices and it's hitting your business checking account, but you want to send yourself some money. How you pay yourself depends upon what type of entity you are set up as. Now, let's say you're a sole proprietor, you're a solo entrepreneur. You just get paid on a 1099. There's no corporation attached to you, okay? Then when you transfer money from your business checking account to yourself, that's called an owner's distribution or owner's draw, which is fine. That's also okay if you're an LLC, okay? Single member LLC. So here's what you need to do when you're making those transfers. Do you know how when you're setting up the transfer, the dollar amount, how much you want to move, the date, and then there's a nice little memo line in the bottom of that screen. You want to try to put as much detail in that memo line because that usually will populate